Welcome to the stitch guide. This week we'll be looking at the pineapple stitch, and it's just a slight variation on the puff stitch. As you can see, it's got these like little chains at the side, it looks like, and more of a defined top to it. So to make my sample, I started with a US double UK treble foundation row in an odd number, and then each row ends and starts the same. So we make our stitch, chain one, and then at the end of the row we'll make a US double UK treble and chain three. Turn your work, and then this is how we make the pineapple stitch. So we start off as if we're making a 4-loop puff stitch. So yarn over, go into the chain one space, pull through once, yarn over, go in, pull through twice, yarn over, go in, pull through 3 times, and then yarn over, go in, pull through 4 times. So just spread out your loops so that you can see. We're going to pull through the first 8 loops, so we're going to leave that last loop. Yeah. And we now have 2 loops on the hook. We're going to pull through those 2 loops to finish the stitch. Chain one, and we'll hop across to make another one. So 4 loops, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull through the first 8 and then yarn over, pull through the last 2. Chain one and hop across. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.